Ha 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 ha. GUFON, you have been punked. You ain't seen nothing yet, Papa baby. Pooh can be funny. Do 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 do. You ain't seen nothing yet. You're such a baby. The only guy that constantly character attacks people online and lies about everything. So let's see this evidence that I called you pedo. Let's see the evidence of doxing. Let's see all the evidence that we asked for so we can actually look at your claims seriously. Where's all your facts, buddy? So, yeah. What a turkey you are.
Yes, my name is Ken. And
I am dumbfounded as to what it could be.
We're all dumbfounded by GUFON. Anyway, on a serious note, Charles has lost contact with me since Friday, and we fear the worst for him. He had some serious health problems, blood pressure and heart failure that could lead from it. And he was put into a coma in the hospital the first time after the mocking that was done by GUFON actually affected him so badly because he's not used to the internet bullies in ufology like I am. So yeah, lucky enough he recovered, but with the new C19 variant going around, we're all a wee bit worried that he may have caught that, and of course with his health condition it could be very serious. So we've tried to contact him by SMS text, but we're unable to get any replies, so we're still worried, and of course it affects everybody, including their sleeping habits, because we care. We're the only channel with truth, facts that can be backed up, and we care about people. Honestly, we don't care about money. I'd rather have Charles on here with me because he's an excellent investigator and critical thinker, and he picks up things very quickly. So yeah, all the best, Charles. If you're still around, we don't know what's the situation is, but please get someone to contact us about the situation, because we want you with us for a few years yet, at least, or many years to come. So all good vibes to you, mate, and hopefully you can come back and help expose this GUFON character and the Dreamy team. Thanks for watching and listening. Thanks, buddy. And Rob is far from dumb as well. I heard that insult many times now from GUFON. He's a different guy. His name is Robert, not Charles. So yeah, take care, everybody. Keep away from that C19 variant, and stay safe on the roads.